Morning. Let's go on to revise the indices exercise. Yeah, I just tested you with the Form 3, Form 2 work, but I discovered that most of you have not passed through Form 2. Right, these are indices. From indices we go on to logarithms, right? These are just normal ordinary numbers. As we work with ordinary numbers, if numbers with the powers are with the powers, it means they are repeatedly multiplying themselves. So here we are saying 24x to the power 6 over 8x to the power 4. Right, you just express each term, both the numerator and the denominator, or the numerators and the denominators, as products of their prime factors. That will make it easier, right, before you consider the use of indices laws. Or you can also use the indices laws. Right, in this case, you just divide 8 into 24, you get 3. Then x to the power 6 over x to the power 4 is as good as x to the power 6 minus 4. What is x to the power 6 minus 4? It's x to the power 2. So you get 3x to the power 2. Or you expand the numbers in the powers of their, you expand the numbers as a product of their prime factors. Right, so that we have three twos. They cancel with 3 twos here. We are left with 3. And we have 4 x's, they cancel with the 4 x's here, we are left with the 2 x's. So we say we are left with the 3 times x, which is 3x squared. Right, we go on to number 2. Number 2, it's 4 to the power minus 3. I said any number to a negative power is equal to 1 over that number to the power that power without the negative sign. You just say 1 over everything, but you remove the what? The negative sign. Then you simplify 4 to the power 3. Right, I saw some writing 4 to the power 3 as 72. 4 to the power 3 means 4 times 4, which is 16. 16 times 4, it gives 64. So it's 1 over 64. You are not supposed to leave your answer with the negative powers. That will be unsimplified. Right, so it's 1 over 64. We go on to number 3. Number 3, ndo panorira. Right, 3x to the power minus 3 is equal to, it means 3 times x to the power minus 3. But remember, the power minus 3 only affects x. It doesn't affect x3. It affects x only, because 3 is not bracketed to be powered to the negative power. So we are saying 3 times x to the power minus 3, which is equal to 3 over 1. 3 is the same as 3 over 1 times 1 over x to the power 3, because we said any number to a negative power is equal to 1 over that number to the power that power without the negative sign. So we say 3 times 1 is 3 over 1 times x cubed is x cubed. So our answer is 3 over x cubed. Right, going on to number 4. Number 4 says 1 over 4 in bracket to the power minus 2. Right, I said when a fraction is raised to a negative power, you just invert the base so that the power becomes positive. So inverting the base means 1 over 4 becomes 4 over 1. So once you invert the base, the power becomes positive. So it becomes 4 over 1 to the power 2. But 4 over 1, we know that 4 over 1 is 4. So we say 4 to the power 2, which is equal to 4 times 4, that is 16.